My name is Tim Brett, the broker at Brett Robinson Real Estate. Thank you for stopping by and watching our June 2025 construction progress update at Phoenix South Point, located in the heart of Orange Beach, Alabama. As you can see right here, our construction team is pouring the 12th floor of the condominium complex. Solid concrete construction. All 3, 4, and 5 bedroom condominiums are going to have a great view of the Gulf. I hope you've enjoyed today's progress video. Please stick around to the end to see the artist's rendering of the final product.